So the things that attracted me to an engineering role at Ampcontrol was being able to work with some real world-class engineers, but also the opportunities to develop and design products that would be able to solve some rather unique and interesting problems that I don't think I was going to get an opportunity to do elsewhere.
So my role in Ampcontrol is very diversified. As an engineer, I'm looking after the different teams in transformer business. So I look after the engineering team, testing team, project management, and sales and estimations.
So the part of the business that I work in is capital projects. So they work on very large-scale projects that can range from smaller items like a bit under $1 million to multi-million dollar projects. And they come up with basically full integrated solutions for electrical switchgear for different customers such as the mines, utilities, or even some other areas like solar farms and things like that. So the work can vary from building small items all the way up to doing like full long-haul systems, solar farms, switch rooms, things like that.
Some of the factors that make Ampcontrol a world-class engineering company is its people. Like the people here really switched on, they really know their stuff, and they're all really engaged in being able to deliver exactly what it is that's required for the problem.
In terms of mentoring, I've always been fairly interested in this. I've never had a formal position in terms of mentoring, but I've always enjoyed working with the younger engineers and tried to help them as much as I could. Sometimes it works the other way, sometimes you find that you learn just as much off them. And I think Ampcontrol has become a little bit more structured in its mentoring in recent years.
Yeah, I think what I like working most for the Ampcontrol group is the company's ability to train and develop and mentor their staff. I think in other companies you can just be you're just a number to them, whereas you've got that sort of a bigger company but still has that family feel about it, and yeah, I think that's the best part about working here.
I'd recommend an electrical engineering career to someone at Ampcontrol, mainly just for the diversity of work that happens. You get a really broad range of knowledge from working here, and plus you also then have the ability to become more niche in what you want to do from the different divisions. So you can get that great exposure on what electrical engineering is, and then also be able to focus on what you really want to. And the amount of knowledge that's here, you can really learn a lot.
I primarily think most engineers are by nature, their DNA is to solve puzzles, and that's the reward for most of them, and that's what I still find rewarding in Ampcontrol. There's plenty of puzzles to solve, and there's a good environment to help you solve them.